Hello students, I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher at Shivas Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you the book The First Flight of Class 10, and the topic that I have chosen today to teach you is Madam Rides the Bus. Before introducing you about the topic, I am going to tell you something about the author. So let's first see about the author. The author of this chapter is R.S. Krishnasamy. Although in our chapter it is not given, it is given the name Mallikarjuna. It is a pen name. It is a pet name. It is a pseudonym of the author R.S. Krishnasamy. Sometimes writers don't use the original name in their writings. At the place of the original name, they adopt some pseudonym or pen name. You can also say the pen name for their writing. So, R.S. Krishnasamy also adopted a pen name, a pseudonym that is called the Mallikarjuna. And in this chapter, the name is given Mallikarjuna. It means his pen name is given. And he was born on 12th November 1920. Where? In Rajamallipuram, that is near Tirunelveli. These are South Indian names because the author is related to South India. And he was died on 9th November 2006 in Chennai. His occupation was journalist, writer, critic. There were many other things, but especially he was a journalist and a writer. He was writing in magazines, in newspapers, and he was also writing books, novels, etc. He has written a lot of books, more than 50. And he was also got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978. In 1978, he got the Sahitya Akademi Award. Okay, so these are things related to your author, Mallikarjuna, whose original name was R.S. Krishnasamy. Now let us see about this chapter. The topic of this chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. Yet this is not just we use Madam for a lady, but this story is not about a lady. That is a girl, only 8 years old girl. That's why the topic is humorous. The writer take a humorous topic, and we will see the reason why the writer has used the madam at the place of girl. Now rides. There is rides. Rides is a person. If a person is traveling as a passenger, then it is called the ride. It is called the rides. अगर कोई व्यक्ति एज अ पैसेंजर सफर कर रहा है तो उसको राइड्स कहते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ राइड्स एज वी से आई राइड द bicycle, I ride the bike, he rides the horse. So for bike, bicycle, horse, we also use riding if anybody is going to ride that thing, if anybody is going to use that thing. Okay, and you know the bus. So this is the story of a little girl of 8 years old only. She didn't have any friend of her own age in her street, in her neighborhood. That's why all the time she always stand at the door of her house, watching the streets, watching the things that were happening in the streets. She also saw that a bus, every hour a bus went to the town and then returned back from the town to her village. And on seeing that, there also breathed the curiosity, wish under her in herself for the riding of that bus. And this is the story of the riding of that bus. This is the story of the girl who rides on that bus, who went from her village to the town and then returned back from the town to the village. And how did she arrange all these things are given in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. I am going to explain it. Open the book, page number 117, part number 1. The chapter is divided into 4 parts. Today I am going to explain only first part. Okay? So the first part is, there was a girl named Vallimai who was called Valli for short. This is the story of a girl. The name of that girl was Vallimai. And in short, she was called Valli. एक लड़की की कहानी है जिसका नाम वल्लीमाई है, वल्लीमाई है, और जिसको शॉर्ट में वल्ली कहते हैं. ओके, सो हर कॉलिंग नेम वाज वल्ली, बट हर एक्चुअल नेम वाज वल्लीमाई, who was called Valli for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. At that time, the age of that girl was 8 years only. She was 8 years old. वो सिर्फ 8 साल की थी. And she was curious about all the things around her. और उसके आसपास में जो भी चीजें थी, उन तमाम चीजों के लिए वो क्यूरियस थी. She wanted to know about all the things. वो हर एक चीज के बारे में जानना चाहती थी. And she was 8 years old and very curious about things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front door of her house. And her favorite pastime was standing at the gate, at the front gate of her front door of her house. और उसका जो सबसे अच्छा पास टाइम था वो अपने घर के फ्रंट डोर पर खड़ा रहना था. Why? It is given there were no playmates of her own age on her street. The reason was that there were no playmates of her own age in her street, in her neighborhood. उसकी स्ट्रीट पे, उसके पड़ोस में कोई भी उसकी एज का जो है प्लेमेट उसका नहीं था. On her street, and this was about all she had to do. That's why this was all that she had to do. उसके पास तो क्या है, सिर्फ वही एक काम था जो कर सकती थी. To stand at the door of her house, कि वो अपने हाउस के, अपने घर के डोर पर खड़ी रहे and watch the things around her, और अपने आसपास की चीजों को वॉच करती रहे. And this was also the best pastime for her. और यही उसके लिए क्या था, सबसे अच्छा pastime था. But for Valli, standing at the front door was very big, as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. The writer is there, but the Valli is standing at the gate. But for Valli के लिए क्या था, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any other elaborate games for any other children. It was like a game for her. ये उसके लिए गेम की तरह से था. It was like an elaborate game. It was like a detailed game. ये detailed game की तरह से उसके लिए था. Other children play जो दूसरे बच्चे खेलते थे. So it was as enjoyable as a game for other children. ये उसके लिए it was for Valli, it was as standing at the door was as enjoyable as a game for other children. वल्ली के लिए गेट पर खड़ा रहना, डोर पर खड़ा रहना उतना ही इंजॉयबल था जितना कि किसी दूसरे बच्चे के लिए गेम था. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Whenever she was standing at the door, watching the street, she also got new experiences. The unusual experiences, the experiences that were not usual for her. उसको जो है नए नए experiences होते, वहां पर खड़े होकर के she learned many new experiences, she learned many new things. वो बहुत से नए नए experiences को learn करती, बहुत से नए नए ideas को, चीजों को learn करती. So she enjoyed standing at the door of her home. But for Valli, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Come to the next paragraph. Next one is, the most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. And the most fascinating you can say attractive, and the most attractive thing of all for Valli was the bus. सबसे जो अट्रैक्टिव चीज थी वल्ली के लिए वो बस थी, विच बस दैट ट्रेवल बिटवीन हर विलेज टू द नियरेस्ट टाउन। द बस दैट ट्रेवल फ्रॉम हर विलेज टू द नियरेस्ट टाउन, वो बस जो उसके गांव से जो करीब का टाउन था वहां तक जाती थी। It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. It passed through her street each hour. That was passed from her street each hour. और वो बस उसकी गली से हर घंटे गुजरती थी। How? Once going to the town. Once when it was going to the town. जब एक बार जब वो शहर जाती and once coming back and once when it was returning back from the town to her village. और एक बार उस समय जब वो टाउन से उसके गांव वापस आती। So every hour she saw the bus going to the town and returning back from there, coming back from there. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Wali. The sight of the bus, whenever she saw the bus, जब कभी वो बस को देखती, filled each time with a new set of passengers. That bus was filled each time with a new set of passengers. Means each time there were different passengers. Each time it has 10 new passengers. हर बार क्या होगा, उस पर different passengers होते, अलग-अलग passengers होते, and was a source of unending joy for them. And it was a source of unending joy for them. She enjoyed those moments a lot. उन मोमेंट्स को, उन लम्हों को वल्ली क्या है, बहुत इंजॉय करती है। Whenever she saw the bus at the corner of her street. Next paragraph. Day after day, she watched the bus and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus even if just once. Day after day, she watched the bus. Day after day means every day she watched the bus. रोज वो बस को देखती and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and gradually, slowly, that crept into head means came into her mind. There a wish, gradually, slowly a wish came into her mind. धीरे धीरे एक विश, एक ख्वाहिश उसके दिमाग में आई. What was that? And grew there, and that wish also grew there in her mind. और वो विश क्या हुई, उसके दिमाग में परवान चढ़ने लगी, उसके दिमाग में आगे बढ़ने लगी. There she wanted to ride on that bus, and that wish was she wanted to ride on that bus. Valli wanted to ride on that bus. Valli उस बस पर राइड करना चाहती थी, उस बस पर एज ए पैसेंजर ट्रेवल करना चाहती थी. Even if just once, even if in Hindi you can say भले ही, even if although just once, भले ही एक ही बार बोले, भले ही एक बार, but she wanted to, even if she wanted to travel only once, just once, just you can say only. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. This wish became stronger and stronger. This wish, the wish of riding on the bus, became stronger and stronger in her mind. उसके दिमाग में ये विश, ये ख्वाहिश और स्ट्रॉन्ग होती चली गई, स्ट्रॉन्ग से स्ट्रॉन्ग होती चली गई कि वो जो क्या है, बस में सफर करना चाहती है, बस में बैठकर टाउन जाना चाहती है. Until it was an overwhelming desire. Until it was an overwhelming, you can say intense, until it turned into an intense desire. यहाँ तक कि वो एक intense desire में चेंज हो गई, वो एक जबरदस्त ख्वाहिश में चेंज हो गई. Now it was her intense desire to travel on the bus, to ride on the bus. अब ये उसकी बहुत ज्यादा इच्छा उसके अंदर उत्पन्न हो गई कि वो उस बस में सफर करे. Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Valli would stare wistfully means longingly, चाहत के साथ, ललक के साथ, Valli would stare wistfully. Valli would stare. Valli stare longingly. Valli क्या? Longingly stare करती है. Where? At the people who got off the bus. To the people who got off the bus. उन लोगों को जो है ननक के साथ रहती, जो बस पर या तो चढ़ रहे होते या बस से उतर रहे होते. Of the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Whenever the bus stopped at the street corner of the venue, where the Valli stands, जहाँ वल्ली खड़ी होती, उसके स्ट्रीट के कॉर्नर पर जब बस आकर थी, तो जब भी लोग बस में ऊपर चढ़ते या बस से उतरते, उस समय वो जो क्या करती, उसके वो क्या है, उसके अंदर भी एक ललक पैदा हो जाती है. वो एक चाह के साथ उन लोगों को देखती. Their faces kindle in their longings, dreams and hopes. Their faces would kindle. The meaning of kindle is given set alight, a fire. Here the meaning is feelings only. We can say shine, that's show. So, their faces would kindle in her longings. In her longings, their faces kindle. Their faces shone. उनके फेसेस क्या होते हैं? चमक रहे होते हैं. उसकी लॉन्गिंग्स में, उसकी ललक में, उसकी चाह में, ड्रीम्स, उसके स्वप्न में, एंड होप्स, और उसकी आशाओं में. It means she had the dreams, she had the longings, and she had the hopes to ride on the bus. Their faces would kindle in her. There is the passengers' faces. Their faces, the passengers' faces. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus, if at any time one of her friends happened to ride the bus and that friend described about the sight from village to the town, at that time Valli became very jealous. At that time she became jealous. Valli would be too jealous. At that time Valli would be too jealous. She became too jealous. जब कभी भी उसकी कोई साथी क्या करती, वो उसको जो है शहर जाने का मौका मिलता, बस में सफर करने का मौका मिलता, टाउन जाने के लिए, और वो अपने सफर को बताती, अपने जो मंजर उसने देखे हैं उन तमाम चीजों को जब वो बताती, तो उस समय वल्ली क्या करती, वो बहुत ज्यादा जीलस हो जाती. So, sight of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English. To listen to those things, Valli became very jealous and she started to shout. और वो चिल्लाना शुरू कर देती in English. She started to shout in English. वो इंग्लिश में चिल्लाने लगती, proud, proud. You are so proud. You are so proud, proud, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. The writer tells us that neither Valli nor her friends understood the meaning of that word proud. न तो वल्ली और न ही उसके जो फ्रेंड्स होते थे वो उस प्राउड वर्ड की मीनिंग जानते थे. They didn't know the meaning of that word that they always used, and that word was proud, proud. Meaning of the word, but they used it often. But they used it often. लेकिन वो इसको अक्सर यूज करते थे as a slang expression. They use it as a slang expression. Slang expression is informal words, often used within a close group. कभी कभी हम क्या अपने ग्रुप में कुछ हमारे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो बार बार हम बोलते रहते हैं. That is called the slang expression. So, as a slang expression of disapproval, this was a slang expression of disapproval. Whenever they didn't approve anyone, when they wanted to disapprove, at that time they used that slang word proud. जब कभी वो डिसअप्रूव करते किसी बात को वो पसंद नहीं करते, तो उस समय क्या करते, वल्ली या उसके फ्रेंड्स जो होते वो प्राउड वर्ड का यूज करते. यद्यपि न तो वल्ली को और न ही उसके फ्रेंड्स को जो है प्राउड वर्ड की मीनिंग पता थी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. Oh, many days and months Wali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there over many days and months. It means for a long time, बहुत लंबे समय तक, for many days and months, for many days and for many months, here we can say for many months, कई महीनों तक Wali listened carefully to the conversations. Wali listened carefully the conversations were between her neighbors and people, between her neighbors and people. वो क्या करती, बहुत केयरफुली अपने नीबर्स और जो दूसरे लोग होते हैं उनकी कन्वर्सेशंस को, उनकी बातों को सुनती. वो रेगुलरली यूज द बस, द पर्सन हु रेगुलरली यूज द बस, वो लोग जो कि रेगुलरली उस बस को यूज करते थे. हु राइड्स ऑन दैट बस, जो उस बस पर सफर करते थे, जो उस बस पर ट्रैवल करते थे एज अ पैसेंजर, वो उनकी बातों को केयरफुली सुनती थी. Regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions. Discreet means careful. She also asked them a few discreet, and you can say careful questions. और वो उनसे कुछ न कुछ केयरफुल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछती थी, कुछ एहतियात के साथ कुछ न कुछ प्रश्न भी उनसे पूछ लेती थी. Here and there, कभी-कभी यहाँ वहाँ, कभी-कभी क्या करती वो उनसे कुछ न कुछ प्रश्न भी पूछ लेती. अब रिलेटेड टू द बस राइडिंग से रिलेटेड. Here and there, this way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. In this way, she was able to pick up, you can say collected. She was able to collect it, what? Pick up various small details, various different small details related to the bus journey. In this way, she was able to collect various small details, different small details related to the bus journey. इस तरह से उसने बस की जर्नी से रिलेटेड बहुत से डिफरेंट डिटेल्स जो थे वो उसने इकट्ठा कर लिए थे. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गिवन द नेक्स्ट अबाउट द बस जर्नी. द टाउन वाज 6 miles from our village. Now the writer is going to describe the details that she had collected, that she had picked up. अब राइटर हमें वो डिटेल्स बताने जा रहे हैं जो उसने पिकअप किए थे, जो उसने कलेक्ट किए थे, जो वली ने कलेक्ट किए थे. The town was 6 miles from our village. The distance of the town from our village was 6 miles. जो उसके गांव से विलेज से टाउन की डिस्टेंस थी, जो दूरी थी, वो 6 miles थी. So the town was 6 miles from our village. The fare was 30% only, and the fare was 30% only. The fare of one way was 30%. एक तरफ का जो फेयर था, जो किराया था, वो 30% था. It means the fare of the both way was 60%. जो दोनों तरफ का पैसा हो गया, इस तरह से फेयर हो गया, किराया हो गया, वो 60% हो गया. If you want to go to the town and return back from there, it means you must have to pay 60%. Because the one way fare was 30%. क्योंकि जो हम वन वे का फेयर का जो वन वे फेयर था वो 30% था. इसका मतलब टाउन जाना, फिर टाउन से वापस आना, उसके लिए आपके पास जो है 60% मिल जाएगी. Which is almost nothing at all. Which is almost nothing at all. जो कि बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है. She heard one well-dressed man sing. She heard the conversation of a well-dressed person. That well-dressed person said that the fare is nothing at all. एक well-dressed person को उसने देखा, जिसके ड्रेस अच्छे थे, उसने कहा कि फेयर तो कुछ भी नहीं है, फेयर तो बहुत कम है. That dressed man said, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. But to Wali, that was great money. That was much money. लेकिन Wali के लिए क्या था? वो बहुत पैसा था. That 30%, that 60%, वो a large amount. वो उसके लिए क्या थे? एक बड़ा अमाउंट था. And that much money, who scarcely saw that much money? It was scarcely that is done with difficulty. It was much difficult. It was much difficult to her to sell that much money. ये उसके लिए मुश्किल था कि वो अपने पैसे को देख सके. It means it was much difficult for her to collect that much money. ये उसके लिए मुश्किल था कि वो अपने पैसे जो है इकट्ठा कर सके. From 1 month to the next, from 1 month to the next, it means in 1 or 2 months. It was difficult for her to collect that much money in 1 or 2 months. ये उसके लिए मुश्किल था कि वो अपने पैसे 1 या 2 महीने में कलेक्ट कर सके, इकट्ठा कर सके. It seemed a fortune. That's why it seemed a fortune to her. ये उसको एक फॉर्चून नजर आता था. फॉर्चून मीन्स किस्मत, भाग्य. It seemed as if she don't have a good fortune. उसको ऐसा लगता था कि उसके पास गुड फॉर्चून नहीं है, उसका भाग्य अच्छा नहीं है. Because she didn't have the 60 पैसे to ride on the bus. क्योंकि उसके पास 60 पैसे नहीं थे बस पर राइड करने के लिए. It seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. And the trip to the town took 45 minutes. The bus took 45 minutes to reach the town from her village. उसके विलेज से टाउन तक पहुंचने में बस को 45 मिनट्स लगते थे. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same day, same bus. On reaching the town, if she wanted to go and ride on the bus, it means she must have 30 paise to go to the town. उसके पास 30 पैसे होने चाहिए टाउन जाने के लिए. And on reaching the town, और टाउन पहुंचने पर, when she reached the town, if she stayed in her seat, if she wanted to stay in her seat, और अगर वो चाहती थी कि वो अपनी सीट पर बनी रहे, to return back to her village, अपने गांव वापस आने के लिए, stay in her seat and pay another 30 paise. She must have another 30 paise to pay to the conductor of the bus. तो उसके पास 30 और पैसे होने चाहिए जब वापस आने के लिए बस के कंडक्टर को देने के लिए. She could return home on the same bus. If she wanted, in that way she could return home on the same bus. इस तरह से वो सेम बस पर ही क्या है 30 पैसे देकर के टाउन जा सकती थी, फिर एक बार फिर 30 पैसे देकर के अपने गांव वापस आ सकती थी. She could return home on the same bus. This means that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. This means that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus. It means if she wanted to go to the bus, wanted to go to the town by riding on the bus, she must take 1 o'clock afternoon bus. उसको जो क्या अगर वो टाउन जाना चाहती थी, राइड करना चाहती थी बस से, तो उसको आफ्टरनून की 1 o'clock की बस पकड़नी थी, वो पकड़ सकती थी. Reach the town at 1:45. In that condition, she could reach the town at 1:45 because the bus took 45 minutes to reach the town. क्योंकि बस को टाउन पहुंचने में 45 मिनट्स लगते थे, इसलिए क्या है बस उसको जो है 1:45 पर वो इस तरह से टाउन पहुंच जाती है. And be back home by about 2:45. And in that way, she would be able to return back home by about 2:45. इस तरह से वो अपने गांव वापस आने के लिए उसको क्या वो 2:45 तक अपने गांव वापस आ जाती, वो अपने घर वापस आ जाती. क्या है अगर वो 1 बजे की बस पकड़ती, 1 बजे की बस पकड़ करके आफ्टरनून की वो टाउन जाती तो 1:45 तक टाउन पहुंच जाती, फिर वहां से जब वापस आती तो 2:45 तक वो अपने घर वापस आ सकती थी. On and on went her thoughts, and she calculated and recalculated, planned and pre-planned. On and on. It means continuously. What? Went her thoughts. Continuously went her thought. Continuously she thought about it. लगातार वो इसके बारे में सोचती रही, वो लगातार इसके बारे में सोचती थी. as she calculated and recalculated. As she calculated and recalculated, she calculated the fare. That if she had the 30 paise, she could reach the town. If she had another 30 paise, she could return back to home from the town. So she calculated and recalculated. वो क्या करती, बार बार कैलकुलेशन करती, बार बार जो क्या है कैलकुलेट करती कि वो जो है कितना पैसा होगा तो शहर टाउन पहुंच जाएगी, फिर कितना पैसा होगा तो वापस अपने गांव आ जाएगी. प्लान एंड रीप्लान. Along with calculation, she also planned to go to the town and return back, and she also replan. She planned and her plans fails and she replan. वो प्लान बनाती, एक प्लान फेल होता, फिर दूसरी बार प्लान बनाती that she would go to the town. She would ride on the bus. कि वो बस पर राइड करेगी, बस पर जाएगी. इसके लिए क्या करती, वो बार बार कैलकुलेशन करती, वो बार बार प्लान बनाती. So this is the first part of the madam rides the bus. There are, as I told you, 3 more parts. So I will explain those parts in the next classes. For today, my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.